welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and today I'm going to do a little full walkthrough of my mini album made with this Our Baby paper collection from Echo Park. I also used the sticker collection and the coordinating solids paper pack with it. And the copper metallic Artisan Cardstock that is just beautiful. I use that for some photo mats and some matting. I have the Artisan white cardstock is what I constructed this album from, and the chipboard pieces for the spine measures 1.5 inches wide by 8 1/4, and then the front and back covers measure 6 1/4 inches wide by 8 1/4 inches tall. So here's the front of the album, keeping it very flat. So this is just one of the pretty cut aparts to this collection. Then when you open it up, I have this photo mat here on the right hand side, and I added these to the inside covers. Both the front and the back has this piece that opens up this way and then opens up this way. And all this is a piece of paper that is 12 inches long, and I cut it down to 7.5 inches tall. I scored it at 1/2 inch, so I have 1/2 inch of paper tucked underneath this decorative paper. And then after the 1/2 inch, I scored at 6 1/4, and then I cut off just a mere 1/8 of an inch off of the very edge here. That way when you fold this, it is a little bit shorter than just underneath, and you can easily turn the page open. If you don't have that shorter, it will get hung up on your cover if you don't place it all the way at the edge. So I recommend just trimming it ever so slightly there. But you can see I use sticker collections, the cut aparts. I use the Place Photo Here stamp. I've had this in my collection for a while. This is Country Craft Creations. I'm not sure if these are still available, but you can check out the website at countrycraftcreations.com for these goodies and many, many, many other beautiful paper collections and craft things. So here is one of the mats, the photo mats. And if you watch the tutorial, I did a little walkthrough of this first page. There are 2 pages in this album. So I'm gonna run through this first part pretty quickly. Here is a little mini pocket here on the left-hand side. And I use this for the brand new baby pictures. So there's, the first day, there's gonna be quite a few pictures. But then the first month will come along and we can place even more photos here. And journaling, plenty of space there. I did glue down these corners, but leave it open so that this could come out. I didn't glue that little cut apart down. So that could be changed out with a photo. And then same thing here. I glued this only on 2 sides so that I could use that as a tuck spot. This is some of that sticker collection. Here's the 3rd month, same thing there as a little tuck spot. And then we have these angled pockets here that is so cute. So here's a couple more of the cut aparts. And then here is another photo mat that's ready for some journaling and photographs. So we'll just tuck that back in there. Turn the page and you have this month 5. Here, so that is a pocket. Remember, all these pockets are open. I show you how to do that in the tutorial so that you can make the most of 1 sheet of paper. And then you have these flip pieces. So I use the envelope punch board, and these are tuck spots for these. So when you pull them out, there's additional spots for photos and journaling there. So I have one on the top. And then this one goes on the bottom. Let's see here. Tuck that back in there. So these are just with the flaps like this. Okay. Here's another cut apart, month 6 already. Here's month 7. I have some additional cut aparts. I left these two joined and just scored it down the middle to make it a little booklet. Then I have this photo mat here. I used the sticker and I backed this portion, this top portion of the sticker with some Artisan Cardstock and then fussy cut around that just so a photo will fit underneath there. And then I also put in some additional just blank photo mats so that that could be used. And I left some spots open as well for photos. So that's month 7, and here's the 8th month. It opens up there. Again, some additional photo mats. That's another booklet style. Okay. Again, I left this open so that you can pull it out if you don't want to use that matting there or want to use that somewhere else. You can stick the photo underneath it like the old school photo corners that we used to use. And I still like to use those actually. So I wanted to do something different. I had the paper clip and I decided let me go ahead and use a paper clip for one of these. Just do something a little different. And then I have a couple of photo mats in here so that someone can go ahead and create their own. Okay, layout. Here's month 10. So again, this is the angled pocket. I have this photo mat booklet here. We have some more white. And then this one. So that's nice and fun. Flip that over. We have month 11. Another booklet right there. And then we have this place photo here. Again, these come out. Use some of those sticker collection. Put it down, even put it crooked, so what? Nobody will know that except now all of you, but I see it. Okay, so I used another, some of those cut aparts and went ahead and backed it in that copper, and then I placed some white Artisan on the back side of this page. We have a couple more photo spots. Cut this out like a banner, a little fishtail banner, and I went ahead and glued down here on 2 locations so that is another good little tuck spot there. And this is the piece that is attached to the back cover. So you have this, it opens up this way. Okay. And then it goes this way. And that's where you can put that 1-year-old picture. How cute would that be? 12 months. So that's it. That's the album. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough, and I look forward to seeing your take on making one of these albums soon. Until next time, everyone, happy crafting you all. Bye.